So, how about a guided meditation? I'm going to call this guided meditation the sacred stone circle of cosmic color attunement. I'm going to teach you a way that you can get your own frequency of color. All right. The sacred stone circle, a cosmic color attunement. So, this is going to be about 10 minutes. So, please just go ahead and settle into yourself. Close your eyes, turn within, and talk to your body for just a nanosecond to let your body know, body, I'm going to work at being more conscious about how fast I might demand that you go through transformation. I'm going to work to be more attentive and support you in ways that you need to integrate with ease and effortlessness. And when it must be fast, rapid, lightning bolt change, I promise to take the time needed so you can take in those changes. And then ask your body to just deepen, relax, and to just grow very still, calm, release any tension out of your hands and your feet. Just let it drain. And go ahead and imagine a grounding force. It can be a tree with a deep root system, it can be hummingbirds. I've been seeing a lot of hummingbirds lately. Hummingbirds to be your grounding. Whatever image you wish to work with, allow yourself to be playful, imaginative, and receptive. Just let yourself know you are truly are where you are meant to be at this time. And as you're grounding to the center of the earth, ask your spirit to help you adjust and adapt your grounding throughout this meditation so that you do not have to regulate it yourself. Your spirit's going to do that for you. And let yourself release any confusion or overcomplication when it comes to working with color. Just ask your spirit to help you drain that confusion around understanding colors and frequencies. You're just going to drain that complexity down your grounding. Now allow yourself to imagine and pretend, even if you can't see, you're just going to feel your way through walking through a beautiful natural landscapes. Let yourself imagine feeling the path underneath your feet. You're hearing maybe leaves rustle, or you may be hearing like ocean waves crashing on the beach, songbirds. You might even experience the scent of fresh earth rising in the air. As you walk, nature begins to open up a pathway in front of you. You just gently move up a hill, revealing a sacred stone circle nestled in a quiet clearing. These stones were placed here by ancient hands, guardians of light, maybe even your own ancient ancestors who understand the language of frequency and color. This stone circle is specific to holding and amplifying these frequencies of color and teaching each of you the multidimensional knowledge and wisdom that comes with each color. This is a sacred place of attunement, a place where your soul can remember what color it needs most right now. As you step gently into the center of the circle, find your place that's most comfortable for you, where you can feel into and experience the stillness, the sacred stillness around you, the groundedness of the earth below, and the open sky above that is filled with rainbows of light, light codes, and cosmic resonance. You begin to notice that one color, one thread frequency of light starts to come down from the cosmos and begins swirling around you, or you may experience several colors starting to swirl around, shimmering, gently rotating in the air around you. Each one represents a frequency that can support your healing right now. You do not need to choose with your mind. Let your body and your soul choose. Choose the color that draws you in, the one that makes you feel the most at peace, or the most alive is the right one for you now. Is it blue? Is it a soft rose, an electric violet, or golden light? Just let it come to you. This color begins to swirl around your body and into your auric field and into your energy centers, bringing its unique healing, clearing, or activation. Allow this color frequency to move where it's needed the most, such as swirling around your heart, or maybe gently comforting your root survival chakra, or maybe shining through your mind or rising into your spiritual crown. As it moves, old energy begins to lift, not by force, but by resonance. This color remembers who you are and is helping you to remember who you are too. Just breathe naturally and allow the frequency to do its sacred work. Now, with deep gratitude, you feel the frequency slowly returning back to source, back to the cosmic field, or you can invite it to continue to flow wherever it needs to go within your body and your human energy field. But ask your spirit, how long should I work with this particular color frequency? 10 minutes, 3 days, 2 weeks, or this is enough for now. Let it go. The color frequency that is just right for you has left an imprint of harmony, of lightness, of a clear connection to your own inner truth. So before you leave the stone circle, just look around. Are there any other messages for you? Are there any symbols, images that are coming up? It might be a word, a shape, a knowing, or simply a feeling. Let it come gently. When you're ready, begin to walk out of the stone circle, turn back, thank the sacred space for welcoming you into the center, and ask the stone circle if it would be all right if you returned any time you would like for its wisdom. Head back through nature, feeling the wind and the fresh air blowing through as you carry a new vibration with you that may be subtle yet strong. Take one more deep breath. Start to move your body around. Open your eyes. Reorient yourself to the space that you're in. Welcome back. And when you feel like you're in a space to do so, share with all of us, if you'd like, what color came to you or colors and what the color meant for you. Because remember, it's going to have a different meaning for different people. Beautiful. Yellow means worthy. Brown, deep nourishment. Pink, gentle love. Golden, fiery orange. Chartreuse. Yellow, emerald, and I'm not familiar with this one. I'll have to look it up. Opiate. Iridescent green and magenta. Peace and resurrection and joy. Yellow joy. I'm getting goosebumps. Multi swirls of gold, electric blue, and magenta. Nice. That's one of my favorite combos. Lilac. Loving kindness. So remember that I put into the segment here a free guided teaching and meditation. Just click on the link and you'll receive that information for those of you who like a little more guidance with blue light. And here's the thing. For many of you, all this time, color's been choosing you, whether how you choose to wear your clothes, what color car you like to ride in, which colors you're attracted to. Those can be strong indicators as to what color frequencies are around you. In this teaching today, I really hope that you feel empowered to start tuning into your own frequencies, your own colors. Let the wisdom and knowledge and the multidimensionality of the colors teach you, share with you, and help guide you so that you can ride in knowing that healing doesn't have to hurt, that you can adjust the frequencies that are just right for you. So again, thanks again for joining me. I am looking forward to reading all of your comments about the different colors that you worked with and how you're going to be supporting your body over the next months that we're going to be awakening at new levels. All right, everyone, take care. Bye-bye.